Welcome to Tug Social Media Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to look at a few Excel keyboard shortcuts that I think will help your daily workflow. First one I want to demonstrate is you need to copy data from one row down to another row or from one column to another. You can copy and paste, but there's a quick keyboard shortcut that will help you. So the first two we're going to look at are copy down, or copy from above, and copy from left, or what I call copied right. And they are the Control D and Control R key sequence. So say I want to copy from row 23 to row 24, I can just put I can just highlight the area I want to copy down into and use my Control and my D key, and it will copy that down. And then I can manipulate it if I wanted to, maybe change a couple of things. You can also insert a column. So if I go to column F and insert a new column, and then I can use the Control R, so I'm copying from left to right, to copy that information over. Again, it's a quick way to copy information over without stop typing and using your mouse. The second set of keystrokes I want to talk about today, the undo last action and redo last action, which is Control Z or Z and Control Y. So say I didn't want to insert that column, move that data. So if I hit my Control Z key once, it will delete the data I copied over with my Control R keystrokes. And if I do it a second time, it will delete the column. And if I did it a third time, you notice the row I copied is row 24 is now gone. And say I was just too quick with my keystrokes, I can hit the Control Y key and put that row back. So those are two really good keystrokes to keep in your toolbox. The last thing we're going to look at today is copying, using the information already in a column to make to fill a cell using the autocomplete list. I know sometimes if you're in a cell, you start typing, it will kind of figure out what you want and copy it from that autocomplete list. But there's another way to do it, which is if you highlight the cell you want to put the information in. This is especially useful if you want to make sure everything's spelled correctly, maybe being used in a formula. If you use your Alt and your down arrow key, you see that I have a little autocomplete list with all the information from all the cells up here. So I can click marketing. If I drop down another cell, I can do Alt, down arrow, and maybe pick risk management. And it works in anything with data in it. So if I went to the next column over, you'll notice all gives me just two choices. That's all there. It won't work with numbers. It's only with text. So those are 5 keyboard shortcuts I think you should have in your Excel toolbox. Tune in to Tug Web for more from Tug, and look for our social media posts, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and look for some more excellent tips and tricks. Thank you.